thought that this would be a good time to ask a very important question because there's a lot of teenagers here. So, does anybody here have Twitter? And a unicorn. I like that stuffed animal. So, we're going to do a little thing called 5H Truth or Dare. And you're going to get your Twitters out right now. You're going to tweet hashtag 5H Truth or Dare with a question that we may or may not reply to. So, let me see everybody have their phones out. Oh, beautiful, beautiful technology. All right, now tweet. I'm going to get my phone.
Oh my God.
Okay, here it is. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Okay, looking through the mentions, guys. This is very exciting. Okay, we got one. Okay. Somebody asked, what is something that you're really looking forward to this year? What is something that you're really looking forward to?
You go first? You go first.
I would say I'm looking forward to the VMAs.
Yes! Vote for us, guys, please! Yeah, I mean, I'm super excited for the VMAs, and there's some more exciting news coming up. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying.
The question is, since we're nominated for the VMA/GCAs, has anybody voted? Right.
I'm excited for the album to drop.
Me too.
Amen, sister.
So excited.
I'm excited for tonight.
I think I'm excited for the VMAs and for our album to drop. It's gonna be good.
Alright. So, we've got another question that says, what is your favorite dance move? Okay.
That's my favorite dance move too, so there's no need to show it to you. No.
The classic, like, the milk the udder. So it's like, there's a cow. You hold this right here.
Here goes.
Okay. Thank you for the beat. I appreciate that. Yeah. That was nice.
Go, Lauren!
I don't know.
So you go first. Got little mama. Okay. Well, you know what I like to do? There's this thing where you kind of swipe your card and then.
Yeah, that was my dad. Okay. We doubled up now.
All right. Or it's counting native.
I like the cat daddy.
Do it. Do it right now.
Yeah.
Shut up. You can do that great.
Yeah.
This girl can twerk like no
Yes,
one.
she can.
Alright, so that said, now that we've shown our, well, my awful dance moves and some of our other great ones, we're gonna sing a song from our EP, Better Together. And if you, since you have your phones out, if you could take them out and put the flashlight on and make this a nice,
I think we got the
party hat.
That's
beautiful. Oh my God, that's beautiful. You're beautiful. Alright, let's do it.
Look at those lights.
Friday, fall back in love. Saturday, we didn't talk. Sunday, you said you needed space. Do you miss me? Am I crazy? Am I losing hold of you, baby? Neither you want me, or you don't. I need to know. I need to know. You today will be the summer. Sunday we didn't part. Thursday you didn't meet me. Friday I shook it off.
Saturday you got it wrong.
Sunday I said I needed space.
Do you miss me? Am I crazy? Am I lose hold of you, baby? Either you want me or you don't. I need to know. I need to know.
Today will it be the sun or the rain? Or you tomorrow will it make me smile or make me stop? Who are you gonna be when I'm not and I'm scared? Who are you gonna be when there's nobody there for you today? 'Cause I'm not staying the same. Souls change at the same pace, can make you feel so, bring me so much pain. The souls change at the same pace, can make it loud until it hurts. So where do we go? I need to know. I need to know. Today, will it be the sun or the corner of the corner? You tomorrow, will you make me smile? Just bring me somewhere. Who are you gonna be when I'm lost and I'm scared? Who are you gonna be when there's nobody there? Who are you today? 'Cause I'm staying the same. Don't speak when they spit your venom to the shut. I hate it when this and free. Out your new messiah, cause the theories pass by. You can't find your silver. I don't mean to die.
Step your fingers, come on.
But when you leave your feet, love is enough.
This is amazing. Oh, yeah, yeah. Probably move this way. Alright, how's everybody feeling? There's more people in here than that. Let me hear you again. One more time. How you feeling? Alright, so this next song is about when you really, really like somebody and your head is like, no, stop it. Like, that's not the right person for you. But then your heart is like, but I love him.